Fresh ingredients, delicious treats. This kids' baking set includes all dry ingredients, pre-measured and vacuum-packed to preserve freshness. These yummy cake pops are made with kosher ingredients manufactured in a USA facility. Easy to follow instructions. This cake pop maker kit for kids includes pre-measured dry ingredients, a shopping list for wet ingredients, and step-by-step instructions with kid-friendly illustrations, making it easy for bakers of all ages to follow. Educational activity. This cake pop kit for beginners teaches kids basic kitchen skills and baking techniques so young chefs can learn and build confidence while creating their very own kitchen masterpiece. Great gift for kids. Give kids the best gift by making memories baking together in the kitchen. Baketivity kits for kids make the perfect family gifts and make for a special bonding activity with kids or grandkids. Bake with our head chef. Scan the QR code in the kids' baking kit to access a bake-along video guided by Baketivity's head baker. With the help of a real live professional baker, your child will feel like a baking pro too. Top reviews from the United States. Great for my 10-year-old son. This was a great little activity for my 10-year-old baker. He did struggle a little cutting open the packages, but that may have just been his skill with scissors. It was nice that all the ingredients were ready to go and he just had to cut and pour into a bowl. Even the couple things, oil, water, vinegar, not in the kit were items we already carry in the home. It was less cake than I thought, so did not fit in a traditional cake pan. I was able to use parchment paper, and once the mix was in my normal-sized pan, I folded the paper so it only occupied half of the pan. That worked out perfectly. We did end up having extra cake pops. We made them about the size of a normal cake pop from Starbucks. Overall, this was a great activity and I'll be buying again as gifts for my nieces.